G'day guys, welcome back. It's been a while. Today we've got a 2011 Kia Cerato in, and it has a whining noise from the engine, and it's previously had the water pump replaced because they thought that was the noise. It's a bit of a inconspicuous noise. I mean, it's quite loud, but very hard to determine exactly where it's coming from. So what we're going to do today is we're going to get a pressure pulse sensor with a little bit of a stethoscope end. We're going to go around the pulleys and see if we can see this noise on our scope, make it a little bit easier to see, visualize it for the customer, and prove to them what the issue is. So we're going to set up the Viso. We're going to get Cody's pressure pulse sensor and get the end of a stethoscope on it. Then we're going to go around. I'll get you under there. So guys, this is our setup here. We've got the CarScope Viso hooked up. We've got just in lab scope mode, 200 millivolt scale. So what we've done, we've got our normal lead and it goes to our pressure pulse sensor. We've just put a hose on the end, and then we've got our little stethoscope attachment. We just plug that straight on like that. So we just wave this whole thing around under all those pulleys and then see what we get on the screen. As you can see, me tapping that now, that's what we're getting. So we're going to try and visualize that by putting it all over the pulleys and see if we can find the suspect noise. Alright guys, so we're set up here. I'm just going to get my my special helper out there to put the stethoscope on. So I'm just going to bring the revs up so maybe you can hear the noise. We'll go first on the top idler. As you can see, there's a little bit going on there. Let's go to the alternator. Little bit going on there, and let's go to the aircon compressor. And there you go. As you can see, the aircon compressor's completely off the scales. That is the issue with this car. It's got a bearing issue with the front pulley on the aircon compressor. So it just goes to show that these pulse sensors are really handy to do a few other things other than checking intake exhaust like you usually would see. So we're going to give the customer the option, see what they want to do with this compressor, whether we change the front end or not, and figure out what to do, and we'll go from there. Just the power of the pulse sensors. Thanks for watching.